Well, I did a little stucco job here. I just patched this section up, and I came back to check on it a couple days later, and it matched up pretty good. So I'm going to show you how I did it. Well, I gotta plaster that little piece up there, you see it? And I'm going to try to match this, which is going to be impossible. What I'm doing here is I'm trying to match that cement color, so I'm making myself some different samples. And I'm going to let them sit and see what happens. Get a hair dryer and then you test it. See what color it's going to come out. So here's the house. And here's my samples. And I was lucky the owner wanted something like I'm doing, holding this with the camera, in the middle. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm using a fast set repair mortar because it's going to dry pretty fast. Dry slower than rapid set. So once in a while I use this. That's it. I'm working fast with this stuff because it's drying fast. So getting it on as fast as I can because it's a quick set. I can feel it drying already. I want to make sure I really get in the sides so no water gets in there. My tape fell off, which it usually does. I don't even know why I buy it. See that? Got it all done. So now I got what I call a scratcher. It's a professional tool. Instead of using a wire brush, I'm just going to scratch it like that so the next coat will stick. Well, we got that all on. See it? It's over about a half hour and it's starting to get a little light. So I'm going to mix up my cover coat. Now for my first coat I put 1 bucket of just plain old masonry sand in it, right? And I'm going to put a half a bucket of white masonry cement, which is S mortar, which is a big joke. I don't know why they do that. All S mortar is mortar with Portland in it. So that'll be a half a bucket, 2 to 1. And I got a little bit of yellow coloring, which I'm going to throw in. See that coloring? I'm going to add some of that in there so that it turns a little yellow. That's it. And I'm going to add my water. I don't know how this is going to come out. I just got a good hope and idea. That's about it. I don't know if the color is going to be good or bad. This isn't too long later. It's almost dry. It's not all the way dry. So now we're going to put our other coat on. So now we're going to reach down here. Start putting on our bottom coat, our next coat. Making sure we get it in there so we don't get no leaks. So I'm continuing on. Like that. Put my second coat on. And I just keep going. That. I took a little bit out of here and I put a little bit of water in. I gotta match what they're doing. And I can tell that they splashed it. And mix that up into a splash. See that? Let's try to do a little splashing to match it. So splashing it first. Get some of that look in there. Make it look like the rest of it. And then, getting my trowel, I'm just going over it in spots to make that look like that other one. just like that. Go like this, sticks on your trowel a little bit. That's it. So I'm doing all this, trying to match what he did. It's half successful. Now, this is the old job right here. You see it? How he did it? They got a little splash and then he just went over the top of it. So that's what I did. I came over here, kind of did the same thing. Well, I finished it and it's awful wet now. It's going to dry a lot lighter though. But I pretty much matched the rest of the house as far as the stucco goes. I'm going to talk about that job a little bit. I really don't take those kind of stucco jobs, but there was a contractor involved and they set the scaffold up, they ripped the part down, they put the wire back on. The only thing I had to go in there and see if I could make it match. And I try to do the best I can with the colors, because when cement's drying it's always wetter. The next day it'll be a little lighter, and I got lucky with it, so it was dumb luck. I used that fast set repair mortar. The old days you had to put on the stucco, then you'd have to wait a couple days or a week, or some guys even wait up to a month before they go over it again. But with that fast stuff, boom, 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 a half hour, an hour later, you're going right over the top of it and you're finishing it. Now, I always keep white cement in my garage in case I need it. And I mixed it with some regular sand, a little coloring, and it worked. This is a scratcher, that's what I call it for stucco. It's a professional model. But the old timers, they used to just get a bunch of sticks and put them together and scratch it any way they thought. So I do have a little site. I don't know if I have an affiliate site with this on it, but check in the description box below. Thanks for watching my videos. I'm Mike Haduck. Until next one.